For years, mechanical levelers have required operators to pull chains and physically walk the leveler down. Greater awareness of ergonomic and safety concerns, along with changes in the trucking industry, have reinforced push-button hydraulics as the most versatile and economic design when choosing a dock leveler. And now, with the unique Right-Height aftermarket hydraulic dock leveler conversion kit, your existing dock levelers can be upgraded at a fraction of the cost of total leveler replacement. The hydraulic conversion eliminates the need to pull chains and walk the leveler onto the bed of the trailer. With the hydraulic conversion, simply press a power button and the leveler will automatically rest on the back of the trailer. Mechanical levelers commonly use support legs, which can interfere with the operation of a leveler when a fork truck carries a heavy load, or when servicing air ride suspension trailers. When the legs do not retract, this creates stump out. The only sure way to avoid stump out problems is to choose a leveler with full range free float. Hydraulic levelers provide this benefit. Instead of mechanical safety legs, hydraulic levelers have velocity fuse free fall protection. This allows the leveler to go below dock without having to retract any legs. Not only does the velocity fuse provide better free fall protection than retractable safety legs, it is also ergonomically better. It eliminates the need for workers to bend over and pull that chain. As the forklift travels across a hydraulic leveler, you'll notice the steady contact with the trailer bed as it moves above and below dock level. The leveler platform and lip form a smooth path for minimum impact. Remember, with mechanical safety legs, the potential for stump out is always there. Hydraulic levelers offer full-range free float to help guarantee a safe, smooth transition. To help maximize loading dock safety and maintenance, the hydraulic conversion kit comes complete with the Safety Strut Support System, helping to comply with OSHA Regulation 29 CFR 1910.147. Increase safety and productivity with the push of a button. Convert your mechanical leveler to Right-Height hydraulics.